Hi guys, Tanya Van here with Tanya's Bling. I'm an independent paparazzi consultant and producer, and I am here with May's Fashion Fix. So I haven't even looked at this yet. We're going to look at it together. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you don't know what Paparazzi Accessories is, it's gorgeous $5 jewelry. It's all lead and nickel free, and everything I'm wearing is Paparazzi. This beautiful brass necklace here, and these gorgeous brass earrings, this beautiful brass ring, and these gorgeous brass bracelets. So definitely check out my website if you would like to see more gorgeous $5 bling. I will put a link in the description box below, but it's just tanyasbling.com. So let's go ahead and get started with checking out this beautiful jewelry. First that I'm going to show you is Simply Santa Fe. I see some turquoise. Beautiful. So you've got a long necklace, silver, a little bit of a thicker chain, the beautiful turquoise marbled stone with a tassel, and then these really cute matching earrings. So that is the necklace. So cute. Look at the earrings. So cute. Bigger, and they've got the turquoise. They've got these really cute medallions hanging off the bottom. How fun. And they're on a fish hook. And then we've got this really pretty stretchy bracelet to go with that. Really cute. And that's the ring. So cute. Now if you have really short fingers, it might not look as cute. The next set is Sunset Sightings. Ooh, look at those multi-tones. OMG. Cannot wait to see this. You can tell before I even open it how gorgeous this set is. Look at this. Okay, so here's the beautiful necklace. So pretty. Wow, it's so pretty. Matching earrings here. Look at the texture. It's just gorgeous jewelry, right? So that's your necklace. Oh my goodness, look at these earrings. So cute. So that looks great. Not with what I'm wearing, but that is gorgeous. These are the bangles. So if you don't mind bangles, these are so cute. I love it with the tags. Those are really cute. And the next set is Fiercely Fifth Avenue. And I see some bling in there. Ooh. Wow. That's so pretty. Oh. And next is Magnificent Musings. And the last set is Glimpses of Malibu. I love that already. Ooh. And then you've got your pack of Hostess Rewards and exclusives. So I'll show you what's inside of these as well. So first we'll do the exclusives. Those are adorable. So cute. Oh my gosh. Paparazzi, why do you do this to us? Oh, I want these for myself. They're so cute. I've got a pair of earrings to match this perfectly. Ah, I gotta show you. 1 second. See? I've got the matching earrings. Oh, I cannot wait to show that together. Cute. This bracelet would look good with this set. So cute. That's how that looks. Yeah, that would look really cute with that set there. That is nice. So those were the exclusives. Now for the Hostess Rewards. Ooh, that's cute. Really pretty color. And that's nice and simple. All of our necklaces have an extender if needed, which is great for the shorter necklaces. Ooh, that's pretty. Looks like it's got the bling around it and then kind of like a silverish colored pearl there in the middle. It's really pretty. And then this last bracelet is a stretchy bracelet and it would match our turquoise set that I showed you earlier really well. This was the bracelet that came with that set, so you could have another one as well. Looks like that. So that is everything, my friends. So thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments what you think, what you liked, what was your favorite. If there's anything you would like, let me know. I am happy to sell most of it. And make sure you sign up for Fashion Fix. It's a great way to grow your business and to be able to offer your customers beautiful, exclusive pieces. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will talk to you guys later. Stay safe. God bless.